Don't. No, stop.
So, this.
We're running out of battery.
Can I pop this like
Yeah.
real quick? Do it again. You're not good.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here. Why do you look so awkward?
Because I've never done makeup before.
If it's your first time here, my name is Angela and this is my fiance Joey. Today is going to be a different video. Definitely different from the usual. Joey's going to be doing my makeup. So we're going to get right into the
So what do I do first? What do I do first?
So okay, so you
I
have
use
to...
this?
Well, no, you have to wait. We're going to do my eyebrows first. So you have to get this brush.
Okay.
And you have to brush my brows.
Alright, what next?
You have to brush them well.
That's right. How many times?
Make sure they're aligned well.
I don't know how to do that.
Do what feels right.
I don't feel anything.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good.
You've got like a... It gets thinner over here.
I know, my eyebrows are not even. They're not like yours.
I shouldn't point stuff like that out then.
Yes,
okay.
no.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're gonna fill the eyebrows in. So this is a brow pomade. This is what I use to fill my eyebrows. So you want to use this brush to...
What do I do?
Just follow the eyebrow line.
In the middle?
No, just follow the eyebrow line.
Or just dab this or what?
Or just dab a little bit and then you just follow the eyebrow line. And I'm not gonna look at this until you're done.
Okay.
So no pressure.
It's not really doing anything.
You need to get a little bit more product.
Okay. There we go. We're starting to do some stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Other one.
Okay,
This is like gonna be good. Alright. Stay still.
Even enough so bad.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That looks terrible. It's not good.
Okay.
It's not good at all. Hold on.
You have to fill them in.
Can I like wipe some off?
Sure.
If I put too much?
So this product goes a long way, so you just have to really put a little bit on the brush.
Shit. Okay.
A little goes a long way. It's okay. We can always blend it in. Or you go in the opposite direction.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. You look like a Klingon from Star Trek. I'm doing terrible. I'm gonna move on. Okay.
Okay, so we want to close that because we don't want it to dry out. I didn't bring my concealer that I always use to clean my eyebrows, so we're gonna use this liquid concealer. We're using the LA Girl.
Above and below?
Above and below. And then you also want to blend it out because you don't want me looking crazy.
How do I blend it?
You can use your finger.
Okay.
You're doing great.
No, I'm not.
I believe in you. Are you struggling?
Yes.
Okay.
Babe, can we start over? I don't know how to... You look like a man. You look like... Can I start over? I'm not...
Don't worry, let's get into foundation. Okay, so we're gonna do foundation. You wanna use this brush because when my foundation is running out, I always like to cut it and make sure I scoop out everything else that's in there. So we're gonna use whatever is remaining in this. So you're gonna use that flat brush, just scoop out the foundation. Okay.
Okay. Okay, then what do I do? Put it
You
everywhere?
Just put it on my face, but don't put it in the eyebrows because that will wipe it off. And then once you're done putting it everywhere, you're going to use the Beauty Blender to blend it in.
What do I do?
Once you have the foundation all over my face, you're going to use this Beauty Blender.
Okay, look over to your right, or your other way, sorry.
You're doing great.
Thank you. The eyebrows are not great.
That's okay.
At all. Look up. Do I need to get down here? Yeah,
Sure. Okay, you have to blend this in because this foundation dries out fast.
Okay, what do I do?
So just blend it in.
Uh,
And you could just dab, yeah. And that feels good.
There's more on this side than the other side.
It's okay, you can blend it
Yeah?
so it can even out.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, it's not as good as when you do it though.
Okay, so now we're going to highlight. So you're going to use this concealer to highlight the areas of my face that always get light. So under my eyes, on my forehead,
Okay.
the bridge of my
Do I use
nose,
this-
and around my chin. So you're going to use, you press, this is running out. Just press this out. And then you use the applicator to apply
Okay, like
in those
this?
areas. Yeah. You can squeeze it to get more product. Have you taken art class, painting class before?
No.
Why do I feel like you took a painting class? I feel like you've told me you've taken a painting class before.
I've never taken a painting class in my life. I'm about to start sewing school though,
Oh, yeah.
but no painting.
Joey's gonna be creating fanny packs in the near future. That's why he's
Fanny
taking,
packs and other things.
That's why he's taking sewing classes. Okay,
Alright.
so now we're done highlighting. Now we're going to contour.
Okay.
So now the places that are darker on the face, the places that do not get light, we contour those areas.
Like where?
So the hollows of my cheeks.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. And then the top of my forehead. And then
Okay.
on the sides of my nose, on either side of my nose. And
Okay.
then on my jawline. So
Okay.
now you're gonna use the Beauty Blender to blend.
Okay.
You look stressed.
Because I'm not doing a good job. Because I don't drink while I do this. It'll knock your teeth out.
You would knock my teeth
Yeah, it'll
out?
knock your teeth out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it can glass. It's bad for teeth.
Hmm. Oh, I forgot one step. So after you highlight, you have to set your highlight so it can sit.
Okay. What do I
You're
do?
gonna use this powder. This is a banana powder.
Banana powder?
Mhm.
Powder from bananas?
Yeah.
Is that just the color or?
It's the color.
Okay.
Oh my
I
god.
thought it was made from actual bananas.
No, that's a shade.
Okay, what do
The
I
shade is
do?
called banana. So you want to get a little bit of the product with the Beauty Blender.
Where do I put
Not
it?
a little bit, as much as you can. Just swap it like that. And then just put it in the areas you
Where?
highlighted.
What areas?
The areas you just highlighted, honey. Like under my eyes. Under his eye.
Under his eye.
I think you want to get more. Yeah, open this.
This is not good. I want to start The eyebrows are still bad. See, like every guy on the internet does this for his girlfriend. They do a bad job. I want to do a good job. I want a redemption after this. Okay?
Okay. So what are we doing next? We're gonna do eyeshadow. So now we're gonna play with real color. Let me grab this. Choose any color you want to put on me. And these are the brushes. And
These
you can use any of these.
Do I just dab it and put it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Alright, close your eyes for me. I'm trying to put this green on, but it's like not sticking. Is that a problem?
We were supposed to set the eyelids with concealer.
Oh.
Oh, I guess we forgot. We'll do it on the next eye. What colors are you putting on aside from green?
Just green.
Oh, okay.
Why should I do different?
No, usually you use up to 4 colors or even 5, but
Let's do the other eye.
we need to put concealer. Do you want to put concealer?
No,
Or you want whatever? Okay. You know, a little goes a long way.
I'm gonna say a lot goes a long way. A little goes nowhere.
A little goes a long way with makeup.
Okay, well, I'm going with the drag queen mode here. Okay. Alright, next.
You have to put mascara. Oh, actually, no, eyeliner.
Oh, okay.
So do you know how to apply it? Well, you wouldn't know, but
I think so.
okay.
Wait. I thought your eyes are open for this. I thought you do it on the inside of the eye, like this. Or no?
No,
on the outside.
The outside do not do it
Okay.
on the inside.
So close your eyes. Babe, you just made me mess up. Okay.
I'm
other
sorry.
one.
Why are you putting it under my...
Under his eye.
Why are you putting it under the eye?
I thought you were supposed to
No.
on the bottom lid.
No, you do not.
And then the top lid.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
This,
You do not put it under the eye.
is it poisonous or something?
You just don't do it. It might look hideous. You put eye pencil. Is that what you meant?
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Okay. I can't. I'm tearing up.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna powder. We're gonna set the whole look with powder. But you do
Okay.
not want to set the eyes with anything, just the face.
Okay.
Okay, so do not put powder in the eyes.
Wrote A right here and J right there on your eyes.
Oh my god! What the hell?
But it didn't work.
Good.
It's just a bunch of smudges. What is this?
So now we're gonna set the contour.
Okay.
Remember how we contoured?
No. What do I do with this?
You're setting the contour.
How does that mean?
The areas, the darker areas of my face that don't get light. We have to set them. Everything you
Just
apply
the way-
on the face, you always want to set it so it can stay in place.
Okay.
And then my forehead. That's enough. That's good.
You look like a goth chick right now. Okay.
Okay. Oh, this feels interesting. Where's the mascara?
Shit. I'm sorry, it's on your face. Alright, open them. Other way. Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, that's dried in there. Okay, that's a mess up from earlier. Okay.
Okay. So finally we are going to apply lipstick.
Okay, bottom lip. I do that again? Okay, perfect. I think I did a good job on that part at least.
Yeah? Okay, so now you want to set the whole look with this setting spray. Okay, that's enough. You're having too much fun. Stop! Stop!
Okay, alright, I'm done. I think we're good. It's terrible though, but okay.
Can I look at myself?
Sure. I want to do better.
Okay. You ready for the moment of truth?
No. It's pretty bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I told you I'd be terrible at this.
Oh my gosh, what is this? What the hell?
I did what you asked. What's the worst part? Now tell me what the worst part is.
I can't, I'm tearing
Tell me what the worst. Tell me what I did bad and what I did good. I think the eyes and the eyebrows in general are pretty much a failure.
It's just a mess. I can't. I'm like sweating right now. And I'm tearing up because this is hella funny. Joey, what is... Under eyeliner, where did you get this from?
I don't know, I just saw it.
Okay, so Joey, overall, what do you think about the whole experience?
I want to do better.
Okay.
I like doing a good job at stuff. I didn't do a good job.
It's okay, we all start
I
somewhere.
need more practice.
I didn't even do my eyebrows as good when I started doing makeup.
No?
Okay guys, this concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Joey, you wanna...
This is a finished look for everyone. I hope you won't judge me too harshly. I'll do better in the future, so be sure to like and comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. She has all sorts of great videos, like travel videos and videos of her doing makeup that are a lot better than me. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye guys!